Welcome to the spectacular mountainside of Gordons Bay. Nestled in a prime, central location, this exceptional family home offers a perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and breathtaking views. Step through the welcoming entrance hall into a home designed entirely around everyday flow. The spacious, tiled living and dining areas form the heart of the house, bathed in beautiful natural light. High ceilings and stunning skylights bring the bright blue skies right inside, creating an airy, open atmosphere. The practical, modern kitchen comes fully equipped with ample built-in cupboards, sleek finishes, and a dedicated scullery area. The upstairs bedrooms offer built-in cupboards and natural light, 2 family bathrooms with baths, basins, and toilets, and a 3rd bathroom downstairs. A sunny study or office opens to the balcony. The master suite opens with a long corridor of sleek, built-in cupboards. Directly to the left is a full ensuite bathroom, perfectly equipped with all the essentials. The master bedroom is a peaceful, king-sized retreat with its own private balcony. Step outside onto the expansive balcony. Imagine waking up every single day to panoramic views of the ocean. North-facing and perfectly protected from the weather, this incredible area is designed for year-round entertaining. Downstairs, the property offers incredible flexibility with a spacious, open-plan 1-bedroom flatlet, complete with its own entrance. Outside, a perfectly maintained, pet-friendly garden with extensive garage space and unreal mountain and sea views. This is something special.